Oh, hey, how's it going? Welcome back. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos lately. I've been doing things like organizing the bench. I have some secret projects I'm doing. I'm gonna have videos on those, but they're secret, so can't really talk about them right now. I got the hangers I wanted for a couple of my rigs. I got a little one here for the SCX24 for the transmitter. I got a bigger one here for the Creighton and its transmitter. You know, like shed tool hanger. It's for like a shovel or an axe or both, or an axe pick or a hoe, or you know, you get the idea. So that's what I used for that. I got a new charger. That's pretty exciting. Gonna be making a video about that sooner than later. If you guys want it, just leave a comment. Say, hey, I'd love to know a little more about that dual charger you showed us. Got some new tires to put on the crawler. Don't know which one they're gonna go on because I really love my existing tires. But I might give something else a try, you know, just to try it. They're the Predator compound that everybody swears by. I opened this up and had a feel. Oh yeah, they feel good. Yeah, sticky. Anyway, so that's exciting. Getting revved up for my 500 sub giveaway. Hit the bell so you can be notified when that will be. And maybe you'll be a winner. Yes, I said a winner, as in multiple. There will be the grand prize, but there is also going to be some other prizes that I will be giving away. So make sure you subscribe so you can be part of that. You never know, could be a winner, especially if there's multiple. There's only 500 people, you know, compared to other giveaway places that probably have thousands and thousands of people. Definitely going to be doing some more on the GPS, the Sky RC GPS, so you're going to want to see that. If you haven't seen the stuff that I've already done on that, well, there's a good chance to go back and check that out, but wait until after this one, okay? I've got a new driver for my Gen 8X. If you guys follow my channel, then you are familiar that I have Harley Quinn normally at the wheel. Well, I found a suitable hubby for Harley, and I think she's very happy just to, you know, take a break from all the rough driving and let her crazy man take the wheel for a little while. But before I get to all that, I'm going to point out the elephant in the room. We have a very large unboxing to do.
Oh my, Jay.
Oh, hi, honey.
What the hell is that, man?
This is the new baby toy I got.
Oh no. What did you do?
I love you, you know.
Oh, what is it though?
It's a, you know, little thing.
It's the same
You want to
thing
help
on
me
the
unbox
box?
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
I thought you said it was a baby toy.
Oh, no, I mean it was a toy baby. My new toy baby.
Boys and their toys.
Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm gonna need your help to get this out.
Oh my god, Jay. That thing is huge.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know they came that big.
Oh yeah, baby, bigger.
Oh my god, it's ridiculous.
That's
Let me
what
see.
she
Let me see the front of it. Oh, it's awesome. That's so awesome.
Isn't it nice?
It's very pretty.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's what I said. It's 1/6 scale.
Okay, 1/6 scale.
Yeah.
Like, is it just a 6S or is it?
No, this is 8S.
Oh, that's crazy. There's not even anywhere
8S.
around here, I think, that you can run it.
This thing will run anywhere. It's so big.
It's really huge. Like, it's taking up your entire desk. That thing's insane.
And then some. It's hanging off the desk.
That thing is insane.
Rather than try and turn this thing around and show everybody, like, the box, I'm just going to play you guys some pictures now.
don't know how big is it. I gotta see this thing. It's crazy. It can't be the size of the box. Like it can't be. There's got to be like foam, you know, like
packaging,
right? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let's open it and find out. All right, let's get rid of those factory seals. It's not easy. I'm shaking. Oh yeah. Yup. Yeah, it's the size of the box.
What?
It's there's no packaging in here. It's the size of the box.
Shit.
I don't know where. I guess the transmitter's under it.
That's ridiculous.
Okay, guys, here's what came out of the box. We got our tools, our manual, something to sign up to get free stickers from Horizon that's only good if you're in the US. I'm in Canada. We've got batteries for the transmitter. We've got these two little, look like maybe some sort of spare part perhaps. And of course you got your sheet of Losi stickers, put wherever you like. They could be cool for my one-to-one. You get this little box that they conveniently hide underneath the vehicle because there's literally no room to put anything anywhere else. So there is your Spectrum DX3. Nothing fancy. Good enough to put a giant smile on your face while this beast is ripping it up. I know you're thinking, I know you all want to get to it. All right, let's do it. Oh yeah, here we go. Now Losi doesn't quite stick their cellophane like a lot of other companies do. Not sure why that is, but oh yeah. You can tell that the cellophane's been doing its job in the box because you've got these rub points on these screws here that are holding the body on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's so good. And there she is. Oh man. In all its glory. Take it in because I promise you it will never be this clean again. Oh man.
Where the fuck are you gonna put that thing?